A promising new treatment could help children suffering from peanut allergies. Aimmune Therapeutics says research shows the daily use of peanut protein capsules could desensitize children to the allergy, but there are still some hurdles to overcome before the drug hits your medicine cabinet. Our Dr. Jon LaPook looks at the potential benefits. Jon, good morning.
Good morning, Norah. This is a huge problem for our nation's kids. More than 1 million children in the U.S. suffer from peanut allergies, which can range from mild to extremely severe. For many parents, a daily medicine that could ward off an allergy attack would be a life changer for them and their kids.
12-year-old Aiden Robertson and his mother Lisa didn't know he was allergic until he was 2 years old and ate peanut butter.
It's horrifying, that moment when you see your child, all of a sudden his face was swelling and swelling and swelling.
Doctors quickly treated Aiden with an antihistamine, but every day the Robertsons are on guard against an allergy attack, avoiding any food that might contain peanuts.
And peanut oil too. You don't know how many things that's actually in, and it's in a lot of things.
Now, a company called Aimmune is offering a new assault against peanut allergies. In its study, it gave increasingly larger doses of peanut protein powder sprinkled over food to nearly 500 children aged 4 to 17. At the end of 6 months, 67% of them were able to tolerate the equivalent of roughly 2 peanuts, enough to avoid a potentially deadly reaction to a small accidental exposure.
It changes the way the immune system sees peanut. So it changes it from seeing it as something dangerous to something that is safe.
Dr. Jonathan Tam is a pediatric allergy specialist who helped recruit test subjects for the company.
It's not going to be for everybody, but for certain families that are very anxious about having accidental exposures, this is a great therapy for them.
The company's findings have not yet been reviewed by independent experts.
I'd be very interested to see, further documentation on the study and kind of what comes of it before we would jump in.
There are some risks when you take the drug. It can cause reactions to peanut, stomach pains, mouth itching. Up to 19% of the kids had to drop out from the study because of these side effects.
Still, Aiden says he'd love to worry less about his peanut allergy, especially on one day in particular.
It's been hard because half of my Halloween candy is gone. All of the peanut stuff is out the window.
We can all empathize with that. Now, this isn't an all-out cure. We're still far from letting kids with severe allergies eat all their peanut-filled Halloween candy. The company plans to file for approval by the FDA administration by the end of the year.
So it looks promising?
It does look promising. I'm hearing cautiously optimistic, but for parents, can you imagine?
Yeah.
This is just a nightmare for them.
Such a huge relief. Yeah. Plus, a Snickers bar is something that is something to behold.
And beheld.
Yeah.
And be eaten.
Well done. Well done.
Now I'm hungry. Yeah, thanks, Jon.